This last tool I will be talking about is the tool that I actually use to help me finish most of this activity of the 5 new technologies. I found a website as I was doing my searching called Common Sense Education. The purpose of Common Sense Education is to help you go through different applications and websites and see reviews that other educators have already submitted about these websites. So as I was going through, became rather easy once I found it to look through different websites that have been used for different purposes. So, like I mentioned, it's commonsense.org. It's a website on my browser, and I am in the For Educators tab. And as you can see, as we go through the main topics of this website, there are whole units on digital citizenship. They have lesson plans at different grade levels. They have multiple resources, posters, videos, and they even have some games for students. This website is free. I did not even have to sign in or join in any kind of way in order to access these features. There are ed tech reviews, there are professional development for teachers, they even have resources in Spanish. So what I loved about this is once I started narrowing down some of the things that I really wanted to look for, I was able to find some reviews about what other teachers thought about these things. I really enjoyed the filters feature because I can filter for my grade level. Let's say I only want to focus on science. I am focusing on things that are free. And then I can even choose platforms and websites. So let's focus on web-based because that's what this assignment was all about. And you can even select your purpose and skills. So maybe my purpose is to do some professional learning, maybe take an assessment. Maybe instead of assessment, I want instructional design. And there's even skills that you can select. Let's go with critical thinking and see what we come up with. So it filters those, and you can choose from all the ed tech tools that pop up, or you can search for top picks. So here, when you select any of these, let's go with Freckle. Freckle is one that I actually am familiar with. You can see that there is a learner rating, a community rating. They even give you a privacy rating. And if you scroll down, you can see pros that people have listed, cons, and the bottom line, just as an average of what it is. It gives you a preview of how you can teach with it, what it is it good for learning, and it gives you just even more ratings, and you can search through comments. I think that is one of the coolest parts. It's kind of like shopping when you're on Amazon. I always look for reviews before I use something. So once I saw that some of them didn't have good reviews, I just went ahead and moved on. I think that this is a great tool to just have bookmark when you are looking for new things, new different digital technologies to use in your classroom. You're just looking for something new and different, or to even give you some activities that you can plan on digital citizenship before you introduce technology into your classroom. I think I've only touched the surface of this website, and you might consider joining to see what other cool features that Common Sense Education has to offer. Obviously, this is a tool mostly for teachers. This is not going to be one that you are sharing with your students. It's simply for you or for parents to be searching through what types of places you want your students finding online.